Welcome to accounting here at East Sussex College. My name is Rachel Collier and I'm the Curriculum Quality Lead for AAT. I teach on a range of our courses from level 2 right up to level 4. On our courses we have 16 to 19 year olds, we have adults and we also have apprentices as well. We're one of the few curriculum areas that has that direct link with apprenticeship, and we've got lots of apprentices out with local employers as well. So an overview of the course that you would be studying is, so you'll be signing up to the Level 2 Diploma in Accounting and Business. This course, it consists of the units that the adults and apprentices would study, the accounting units, and there are 5 units there, and also 4 additional business units which will be really valuable to you as well. So the units that you'll study on this course, you have your financial accounting units. This is where you learn about producing accounts for different businesses and what you'd do if you worked in an accountancy practice. You also study management accounting, so that would be working within a particular business and producing information for management to help them make decisions. You'll study using accounting software, which is learning how to use a package called Sage, and also what it's like to work within an office environment. We've then got the additional business units that I mentioned earlier, and they include an introduction to payroll and an introduction to business and company law. We've also got lifelong learning skills as well there for you, and business communications. We would really recommend that you come and study your AAT with us here at East Sussex College Group. We've been delivering AAT qualifications for many years now. I personally have been here for 8 years. We have above average success rates. We've got a fantastic team of tutors. We have brilliant online learning resources as well. And locally, we also have really good apprenticeship numbers and success rates. So we'd really love you to come and study with us and to take the next steps in your career. So assessment of our AAT courses is all through exams, so our students need to be comfortable taking exams. They're all on computer as well, they're all computer-based tests. For most of these exams you will get your results straight away, which is quite nice as well, they are on demand. However, there are 2 assessments at level 2 where there is a wait of up to 6 weeks for the results. But yes, exams is the way that you'll be assessed, and there'll be mock assessments throughout the course as well to help prepare you for those. So our typical class sizes for our full-time courses, normally about 20 students in a class. Don't have huge class sizes because we need to make sure that the work experience opportunities are there, and obviously if we have far too many students we're not always able to secure placements for everyone, so our class sizes are sort of quite reasonable with that in mind, and you can expect between 20 to 25 students to be in your class in that first year. When signing up to our AAT courses, we do use textbooks throughout the course. So we will provide you with a book list before you start, and along with discount codes from the various publishers so that you can go online and can buy your own books. It's possible for you to source second-hand books, and we do have lots of students here who are moving on and do donate books for students. As a rough guide, you can expect to pay about £120 to £150 probably to buy those books brand new. In addition to the textbooks, there is an AAT membership fee, but the college will actually pay this on your behalf. That annual fee, it's actually about £157, and we fund that for our AAT students. You will start your studies at level 2 doing the Diploma in Accounting and Business, and your progression options once you've finished that, if you enjoy the accounting side you can progress to the AAT level 3 Diploma in Accounting. If you find that you actually prefer the business side, you can consider moving across to one of our business courses and perhaps doing a business BTEC instead. Should you choose the accounting route, when you complete your level 3 course you could do that as a full-time student still, or you may feel ready to venture into the world of work and you might like to do that as an apprentice. Once you've completed level 3 you can then progress to level 4, which is the Professional Diploma in Accounting. When you complete that course you will receive letters after your name, so it will be MAAT at the end, and you get to keep those as a sign of all the hard work that you've done. Again, level 4 could be completed as an apprentice, or you could self-fund to study your level 4. And once you've completed level 4 you then get exemption from the first level of a lot of chartered accountancy qualifications, so should you wish to progress further you normally get some exemptions there, which is very good. But when you venture into the world of work you've got lots of options open to you, so it might be that you work in an accountancy practice, maybe a bookkeeping firm. You could also work within the accounts department of a business. You could work in the public sector, for the local council, the NHS. We have students in a range of different settings, all doing very different things, but yet all making fantastic progress with their careers. You could also look at self-employment as another option. Some of our students do end up doing that in the future. And it may be that you just decide that actually you don't want to be an accountant, but you're just going to use those skills to benefit you in your career. We've got a student who's actually looking to go into retail management and has studied the course and has now got a lot of skills that he's able to take with him into that profession. The entry requirements for our courses are a 4 in English and a 4 in maths. The English and maths are really important. Students often choose accountancy because they like numbers and they prefer it, but the English is important as well. There will be written tasks, certainly when you progress to level 3 and level 4, so that is important. A lot of our employers as well, most of our apprentices already have an English and maths, and that's an indication that employers are looking for that as a minimum on CVs when they're recruiting. So we do sort of place great importance on that. We know that obviously recently it's been a very difficult year with calculated grades and things, so obviously we do consider students on a case-by-case basis, and depending on what happens within the next year and how things are at the time, we will of course sort of speak to anybody who is very keen to do the course but may not have got the grades that they'd hoped for. So an idea of how many days you can expect to be in college. So our courses are designed slightly differently to other courses. Because we want our students to have the opportunity to complete work experience placements alongside their studies, our tuition is normally packed into 2 days. So you'd likely have 2 almost full days at college, and then the other 3 days of the week are for you to go out and to complete your work experience placement. So students are expected to find work experience placements, but we will do our best to support you to do that. And we do have these fantastic direct links with local employers where we can help find work experience placements for you, which will ultimately hopefully lead on to apprenticeships.
Hi, my name is Charlie White. I studied at Heathfield Community College Secondary School, and I've now progressed from accountancy level 2 to level 3. I chose accountancy to study because it seemed like a very good sort of job security and good career aspects. I've recently got a job at Mannington's, which is a local accountancy firm in Heathfield, so I'm doing that alongside the course, which I'm very happy about, and I'm looking forward to carrying on being an apprentice at level 4.
Hi, my name is Archie Wright. I came from Willingdon Community School, and previously I studied AAT level 2. I am now studying AAT level 3. So currently I am actually working in a practice called Dominic Hill. I am an apprentice there at the moment for level 3, and for level 4 I will be doing an apprenticeship as well. Eventually I would think about possibly going self-employed just to get my business out there.
My name is Callum Wider. I used to study at Bishop Bell College, or as it's known now, St Catherine's. I studied level 2 accounting for my first year of college. I went on to a business BTEC, and now I'm on level 3 accounting. So I'm currently working my way up through the chain of one-stop stores, and I'm hoping to work myself into the management aspect of Tesco's, and I should hopefully get a nice career out of that.
Thank you very much for watching. We really hope that you will be interested in our courses and want to apply. If you decide that accounting here at East Sussex College is for you, then please go and take a look at our website where you can find more information.